Hello guys, this is Basic Procedure. Welcome back to this channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about Java conditional or relational operators. If you need to change the execution of the program based on a certain condition, you can use if statements. The relational operators determine the relationship that one operand has to the other. Specifically, they determine equality condition. Java provides 6 relational operators which are listed in the table. So these are the operators. First is the double equal operator, which means equality operator. So this can be used to determine if two variables are equal. Examples are A and B, which A is equals to 10 and B is equal to 15. So we're going to know if A is equal to B. So if 10 is equal to 15, the result is false. The next is the not equal operator. This is used to know if two variables are not equal. If A is not equal to B, then this is true because 10 is not equal to 15. The next operator is the greater than operator. This is used to know if the first value is greater than to the second value. If A is greater than B, then the answer is false because 10 is less than 15. Next operator is less than operator. Is A less than B, then the result is true. Why? Because 10 is less than 15 and that is correct. The next operator is greater than or equal. This has to check if the first value is greater than or equal to the second value. So 10 is greater than or equal to 15, so the result is false since 10 is less than 15. And the next is less than or equal to. Is A is less than or equal to B, then the answer is true. Why? Because 10 is less than 15. The outcome of these operators is a Boolean value. Boolean values are true and false. The relational operators are most frequently used in the expressions that control the if statement and the various loop statements. Any type in Java, including integers, floating point numbers, characters, and booleans, can be compared using the equality test or the double equal sign, and the inequality test, which is the not equal sign or the not equal operator. Notice that in Java, equality is denoted with two equal signs, which is the double equal, not one equal, because one equal is for the assignment. In Java, the simplest statement that you can use to make a decision is the if statement. If, then open and close, then inside the open and close parentheses is the condition or the expression. Then next, if the condition is true, then the statement will be executed. Or in here, if the if condition is true, then the statement 1 will be executed. But if it is false, then the else statement or the statement 2 will be the one executed. The condition is a Boolean expression. If the condition is true, then the statement is executed. If the condition is false, then the statement is bypassed. For example, suppose you have declared an integer variable named some variable, and you want to print a message when the value of some variable is 10. Flowchart and Java code of the operation looks like below. This is the flowchart of the operation. This is a diamond shape. It represents the decision making. If some variable is equal to 10, if no, then it will do nothing. If yes, then it will print the value is 10. Next is the code. If some variable is equal to 10, then this is the output code, which is to print the value is 10. So this code will be executed if some variable is equal to 10, but if it is not, then nothing will happen. Those were the if statement. Then we'll now proceed to the if else if ladder. We might get a situation where we need to check value multiple times to find exact matching condition. Let's see, we have our requirement to check if the variable value is less than 100, equal to 100, or more than 100. The following code explains the same logic using if-else-if ladder. I'll explain this code, or I'll read this code for you. The name of the class is if-else ladder demo. All of the codes are inside the main method. So this is the main method, the public static void main. So we declare variable a, which is int data type, with the value of 120. The first if condition is a is less than 100. The next is the else if. The condition is a equal to 100. Then the next else if statement or condition is a greater than 100. Based on the value of the variable, which is a variable, the one will be executed here, the third condition, or the a is greater than 100, since the value of our a here is 120. Therefore, variable is greater than 100 will be the one to be printed in the console. So I will read it again one by one. A less than 100? No. So program will proceed to the next condition. A equal to 100? That is false since A is 120. Then the program will proceed to the next. Else if is A greater than 100? Then it is true since 120 is greater than 100. Therefore, this code here, this line of code here will be executed, and variable is greater than 100 will be printed in